how to add a photo on top of a video in CapCut Mobile. In this video, I'm going to show you how to overlay a image, photo, or picture on top of the video that you're editing within the CapCut Mobile app on your iPhone, Android phone, or Samsung phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So what we need to do is first have the project loaded. Then in the bottom here, just scroll to the right. And what we're looking for is overlay. Select overlay and then select add overlay. And then in here, go to the photos section and find the photo that you want to add. Now, if yours says click settings to grant access to all photos, select settings. And once in here, all you need to do is select photos and then grant the access so that you can actually get the photo from your phone to CapCut. So if you want limited access where CapCut doesn't have access to all your photos, select limited access and then edit selected photos, or you can select full access. So I'm going to select edit selected photos. Then I'll just find the photo that I want to overlay on top of my video and select done. And now when I go back to CapCut, that photo will be there. I can select it and then I can select add. And now as you can see, the photo, I can move it around on top of my video. I can even pinch and zoom to make it smaller, or I can pinch and twist it to angle it in a different way. Now, if you want to change the timing that the photo shows up, simply long press the actual photo in the timeline down here, and then you can just move it to wherever you want on the video so that it shows up at the time that you want it to. So once you have the photo where you want it, at the time that you want it, go ahead and select play, and you can watch the photo appear over the video, and then it will disappear once it has stopped in the timeline down here. So now you're ready to export and save this video with the photo saved over it. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.